Welcome back to the shop. It's your boy David. As you guys can see right behind me, we got a customer vehicle that just came in, and the thing is a beast. We're gonna be doing some work to it, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. But before I get started, if you guys are new to this channel, make sure to smash that subscribe button, hit the little bell for post notifications, because I have a bunch of other builds coming your way. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. And you guys can see that this thing is looking like a beast, so let's go ahead and catch a quick glimpse of it before the sun goes down. Alright guys, as you guys can see, the majority of the damage is right here on this front door. It was hit pretty bad. Someone just rammed right into the side, so we're gonna go ahead and he is actually able to find a full-on swap for this door, because we were gonna go and paint and everything, but he was able to find exact color and everything, so we're gonna go ahead and swap everything from this one to the other one. So let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, here we go. Finally removed the door. It was really easy. First we were going for these two bolts, but then I went ahead and went for these ones because it's a lot easier just to remove it. Then here, just a little clip, it comes right off. Definitely best to remove a fender, so that wasn't too bad. So here is the door. As you guys can see, the whole bottom of the door jamb is really messed up. Here's the new one. It's a little bit dirty, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean it up with some good product. Gotta go ahead and start stripping this one, placing everything on this one. Alright guys, so I went ahead and wiped it all down, made sure it's all nice and clean. Checked on this rubber seal that's all the way around, make sure it didn't have any cracks, which it's good. So we can go ahead and start removing all the panels from that door and installing it slowly on this one. And this speaker looks like it's really well. It doesn't have any cuts or any damages around it, so I'm gonna go ahead and leave it in there. I'm gonna try it out. If it doesn't work good, then we'll go ahead and swap it out. This panel is fully 100% removed, as you guys can see. Also removed the mirror from back there. Here it is, all installed on the new one. It's looking perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and start connecting this little piece right there, which should just slide up right into there and then clip. Which here I can see that this little bracket right there is broken. I believe I have a good one on this side. Yep, so I'm gonna go ahead and swap this out as well, which is gonna be really easy. It's gonna be, has a little speaker in the back of it, so it runs with it. So I'm gonna go just disconnect this little piece, push it down, bam, here we go. Swap it out for this one. Can have broken pieces in there, and I can feel it in there, so I'm gonna have to go and dig it out before I insert it. There's out with the old. So here's that little piece that was sitting right in there. Had to make sure it didn't go down into the actual door. That would be very bad, because it would rattle every time you would drive. So out with the old, broken, in with the new. Very simple setup over here. I'm gonna go ahead and connect this mirror. Perfect. So it has little prongs like that right there, one right there, clips on right there, very nice and easy. So I'll slide into there, slowly Press downward. Second clip. First step will be to go ahead and lining these up into the new door panel to make sure the door latch works. Otherwise it will not, and that will be bad. You'll have to take the whole thing apart. So let's go ahead and put that on. All right, so here's the two little prongs. This one right here goes on the top one, which is right there. You gotta slide in through here, little groove, then goes under there and grabs it. Second one goes right there on the bottom one and into here, which is this one, a little thick one, smaller. So let's go ahead and do this one so I can show you, and then I'll be able to, because I don't think I can do both of them in my hand. So there you go, slide it up, get it in like that, and then slide it on. Perfect, just like that. I'm gonna go ahead and do this one, snap this whole cover on. All right, so the door panel is pretty much on. Just gotta snap it in and make sure to feed these wires through, make sure they're 100% in there. So we're gonna go ahead and slide it on. Here we got the back of this nice carbon fiber wrapped little controllers. We're gonna be hooking them back up. Of course, the bigger ones in the back. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. Maybe not. All right, 100%. Now we gotta put one screw here and we should be good. All right, nice, perfect. Gotta put one more screw, it's gonna be right in here, right there. The whole panel is 100% assembled. It's looking perfect. Went ahead and wiped it all down, making it nice and clean. Very nice. I'm gonna have to re-wipe the glass once more on the outside, but it is ready to go ahead and get installed. Very exciting. All right, guys, sadly it's already came dark, but as you guys can see, the fender is 100% on. There's a little bit of glass in here, kind of dirty. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and take my vacuum it all up, go ahead, slap the door on, and we're gonna be able to call him today, and so he can pick it up. It was quite a bit just removing the door itself first. You know, you gotta first do your research, figure out what it takes to remove something before you do it. You know, you wanna make sure you have all the tools and everything like that. So let's go ahead and waste no more time, slap this new door on. All right, guys, as you guys can see, the door is completely on. There we go, perfect. Looks very nice and clean. We're gonna go ahead and try to close it for the first time. Make sure it works. Okay. So you just gotta press it a little bit harder, but it works perfectly, 100%. The gap, there's a pretty big gap right here, so we're gonna have to align this fender. All right, guys, as you guys can see, I actually finished it pretty late. It's around like 8:30-ish right now, but this door is on. You guys can see it right there. It's looking beast. So I already went ahead and called the buddy. He's already heading over, gonna be picking it up, so it's really exciting. I'm sure it's rough, you know, being a day without your vehicle, so hopefully he enjoys it. Hopefully get some more customers. That is gonna be a wrap up for this video. The owner came by, picked up the vehicle, loved it, so he's really happy that I was able to actually do it all in one day. I was surprised that I was able to do it. It was quite a bit of work, but I'm happy. I know what it feels like to be, you know, without a vehicle, especially your favorite and your only one. So really happy I was able to do this. If you guys are local here in Chattanooga, Tennessee, I'm doing a big shout out that I can do some small little, you know, part swaps, anything like that. If you guys need, please let me know down in the description. I'll do my best. You can also follow me on Facebook. It'll be down in the description, David Mikulishin. If you guys like this little video, please let me know down in the description. If you guys liked a short one like this, or if you want a more in-depth video, I will most likely do that if you guys wish. So really appreciate all you guys' support. Till next time.